Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix your Instagram from saying feedback required. I'll go over a couple methods on how to fix this. Let's go ahead and get started. The first way you can try to fix this is by going to your settings. You want to go down to General and then click on iPhone Storage. From here, you can scroll down and try to find the Instagram app or click the search bar on the top right and just search up Instagram. Once you've found it, all you want to do is click Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So that's all it does. But once that is done, you can clear out the Instagram app, log back in, and see if it has worked. Another thing you can do is go to the settings inside of the Instagram app. So go to Profile, the three lines, and go to Settings. Once you're here, you can go down and click Help, click Report a Problem, and then you want to type in something like, "Hi Instagram," a pop-up that keeps saying feedback required, keeps popping up on my screen. Would you be able to help with that? Thank you. And then they could get back to you within a day or two and try to help you out with that. And finally, for the last method, you could just hold down the Instagram app and remove the app and then just re-download it from the App Store. Sometimes this does work. You would just have to log back in into your profile once you re-download it and see if it's fixed anything. So I hope one of these methods did work. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next one.